everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Eden Body Works Clarifying Shampoo. I'm going to be going over who it's for, who should be careful about it, and how to use it. If you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, the Eden Body Works Clarifying Shampoo was inside of the November 2022 Curls Monthly mailer. And if you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curl products in little mini sizes so you can try them out at your house before you commit to buying the full bottle. Buying the full bottle. That's what I was just about to say. So as I said, this is the Eden Body Works Clarifying Shampoo. This is a great brand. I originally found them inside of a Sally Beauty. This clarifying shampoo gently removes build, increases scalp circulation, aka hair growth, also has some nice scalp tingling properties and kind of feels like Burt's Bees on your scalp, and definitely helps treat and prevent dandruff and itchiness. And the bottle this size retails at $9.99. You can get this at Sally Beauty, online at Eden Body Works, or I'm pretty sure Walmart and Target both also have this. Of course, I will link it below. Who is this best for? This is best for anybody who needs a clarifying wash. I will link a clarifying 101 video below, but basically everybody needs to be clarifying at some point. A clarifying shampoo is just a different type of shampoo that's like a little stronger, and it kind of is like a power wash to your hair. It gives your hair a much stronger cleanse than a regular shampoo. It is a shampoo, so you would use it in a place of your shampoo when you go to shampoo. And how much you clarify depends person to person. I usually do it about once a month. Some people who are really more prone to oiliness or product buildup will do it more like 2, maybe 3 times per month. Again, in place of their regular shampoo. The way that this product is formulated would also be really great specifically for wavies, although it is for all curl types, but it does have protein pretty high up on the ingredient list. And I really find that for wavier hair types, first of all, they tend to be higher porosity, and second of all, they tend to really love protein in their clarifying shampoos, and this is a great option for that. Kind of similar to the clarifying shampoo in last month's Curls Monthly mailer, which was the Malibu Sea Undo Goo. The difference is that this one contains protein and that one didn't. So I'm really curious what you like better on your hair. Like, I think that's really telling because these products are pretty similarly formulated, except this one has protein and the Malibu Sea one does not. So let me know below what you liked better on your hair, what felt better when you rinsed it out. This is definitely great for protein hungry people. As I said, that protein is pretty high up on the list. I would say it's best for people like myself who maybe don't get too oily, too much product buildup. They tend to not really have that be too much of an issue on the day-to-day. And then people who should be careful with this product are maybe people who are a little drier hair, protein sensitive, anybody who needs more of a stronger clarification. So this is a clarifying shampoo. It is in that category, but it's not as in-depth, intense of a clarifying shampoo as others can be. So how do we use this? You always want to follow the instructions which just say, shake well before use, apply to hair, massage into hair and scalp. Let's get into that a little bit more because sometimes these directions are a little vague. So you are going to follow pretty normal shampoo instructions on this, which basically means you are just going to get the products on your fingertips, rub that together and place it on all areas of your scalp. Once it's placed on all areas of your scalp, you're going to take the pad of your finger and massage in a circular motion. And then what that's going to do is it's going to lather up the product real nice. If the product is not lathering, continue to massage, rinse out, and then shampoo again. That just means that you have a little bit too much product buildup in your hair, and shampooing twice is what you need to do that day. Definitely, as always, when you clarify, there's the option to use a pre-poo treatment. So something like coating your hair in a specific pre-poo treatment. A great one is the Main Method pre-poo treatment that was in August Curls Monthly mailer, or any type of oil is great for pre-pooing. Sometimes people with much drier hair need to pre-poo before they clarify. And as always, anytime you clarify, I also recommend, if you can, following up with a deeper hair treatment, whether that be a protein treatment or whatever. Sometimes people really need that after they clarify. But if you're super oily prone, maybe that's the opposite. Maybe you do not need that at all after you clarify. So looking a little bit at the ingredients on here, first we have water, next we have sodium C14 to 16 olefin sulfonate. I've talked about this product or that ingredient a lot on this channel. It is a chelating ingredient, my favorite word, not. Basically, that is a star performer for a lot of clarification shampoos, a lot of gentle clarification shampoos. So if that's what you see up at the top in the first few ingredients, usually, if you see that at all in a shampoo, it is technically a clarifying shampoo. But especially if you see that closer to the top, like this is the first ingredient after water, this is a clarifying shampoo. The next one is cocamidopropyl betaine, which is another great and gentle surfactant. Surfactants are just a group of ingredients that remove dirt from your hair, aka clean it. Next, we have peppermint oil, which is definitely a hero ingredient in this product. Peppermint oil is great for most scalp issues. It really soothes the scalp and helps fight scalp infections. Next up, we have hydrolyzed wheat protein, which, like I said, is super high up. There's my dog. Next up, we have panthenol, which is really great to add extra shine. So many products this month have that ingredient. Next, we have tocopherol acetate, which is basically vitamin E. It's a great conditioning agent. And then after that, we have quite a few pretty heavy, aka like harsh surfactants. So as I said, surfactants are just ingredients that you put in your hair that wash away grease and dirt and things like that. Hi, Cosette. Hey, girlfriend. She's sitting behind me. That's fine. We have disonium laureth, sodium lauryl sulfoxylate, can't say it, sodium sulfate. These four are pretty like heavy duty surfactants, making this clarifying shampoo even more clarifying. A big question I get is, are the Curls Monthly products color safe? Yes, all of them are color safe. My hair is colored, so if I use it, you can use it. And clarifying shampoos, as long as they don't contain sulfates, are going to be color safe. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo. I know I mentioned that there are some like sodium lauryl sulfonate and things like that. Those are not the type of sulfates I'm talking about. So this is technically a good shampoo that you can use. Okay, so like I said, definitely let me know what you like better. I want to know whether or not you like the Eden clarifying shampoo or the clarifying shampoo from last month, the Malibu Sea Undo Goo. I need to know what you prefer. And if you're not already subscribed to Curls Monthly, definitely I will put the link below where you can get 5+ products delivered to your doorstep every single month. And make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you next time.